everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a watermark designs in Canva. It's very easy and fast, and it's really perfect for protect your designs with a clean watermark. So let's get started. Let's just open your Canva and then just open your any designs, and then next just go to apps, and then just search for the watermark maker, and then just choose this app, and then like that, and then over here you can choose the watermark type that you like, for example, logo or text. If you want to make it watermark from a logo, just simply tap your logo image over here. And if you want to make the text watermark, just type your watermark text over here, for example, like this. And then you can also adjust, you can also choose the icon over here, and then adjust the fonts, adjust the size, and then adjust the color, for example, like this. And then like this, and then you can also adjust the layout. You want to stand alone or grid or staggered, like this, and then adjust the rotations, for example, like this, and then adjust the number of watermarks. And then if you want to add the lines on the watermarks, you can enable these options like this, and then you can adjust the line color and line opacity. But in here I will just go without the watermark lines, so it will look like this. And then when you're done about the designs of your watermark, just simply tap on generate. And okay, your watermark is ready, like this, and then next you can just apply it to your designs or image. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.